Hi, my name is Tunta Dominic. Yeah, in Luansha. Yeah, I'm the owner, beneficiary of Kiva Loans. Yeah, it has helped us so much grow our business. We used to have a makeshift stand. Now you can see we have shifted to a permanent structure, of which now we can trade inside, and like in the past we were outside. So now we've managed to go inside because of the 2-3 loans that we had got from the Kiva lenders from the world. Yes. Yeah. We'd also like to encourage the lenders to still continue helping us so that we grow much bigger than we are here. Yeah. We need to open another branch some 4 kilometers from here, so we need some sponsors to come in. We are very thankful for the support that you have given us, and we just pray that you continue supporting us and God will bless you. We are very thankful. Thank you so much.